Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing the shiplap room today, and I'm going to be using the rustic weathered pine, and it comes in two different colors, cottage and weathered white, and you could also buy the molding that goes around the doors and the baseboards, and that looks really nice. And also you could buy these to make it look extra rustic. They're masonry nails, and it gives it a really good appearance. So your first step is just to mark your studs in the room, and they're usually 16 on center. So I went ahead and I did all the marks. Okay, so now that we're all set with marking the studs, I'm going to start using this for the windows, the doors, and the baseboard trim. So let's get started. So as you can see, I started installing the baseboard and around the door molding, and I noticed when I was doing around the door with the masonry nails that it started splitting the wood, so I just switched over to this nice angle finish nailer, and that will cut my time in half. Now I'm going to get started with the chevron pattern, and in order to do that, I'm going to install the vertical molding in between the two walls, and then I'm going to start doing the 45-degree cuts, and then I'm going to start filling in the pattern. As you guys can see, it's coming out really nicely. One note is that when you're coming towards the ceiling, you're going to have to reverse the 45 so it meets the ceiling perfectly. Okay, so I'm calling it quits for tonight. I ran out of the shiplap just because I wasn't anticipating so many cuts, so now I have to go back to Lowe's tomorrow and get some more, and then I'm going to finish up this wall and then start on the other walls with the weathered white. Alright, so today I'm going to finish installing the weathered pine, it's the cottage color, and the chevron pattern, and then I'm going to get started on my weathered white walls. So I'm finishing up the chevron pattern, and up until now I nailed in the tops of the shiplap so that I could put my other piece underneath securely. So I'm going to fill in the rest of the pattern right here and nail these two in. This is the finished product. I really love the cottage chevron pattern walls with the barn door, and then I did the weathered white on the other walls.